Introducing the revolutionary fifth-generation squadron of fighter jets, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. This remarkable fleet showcases an unparalleled architectural masterpiece, boasting an awe-inspiring design that transcends the boundaries of imagination. This aircraft is going to replace every other. The F-35 stands as a versatile multi-role fighter, adeptly suited for a myriad of situations and purposes. Renowned as one of the world's foremost stealth jets, it stands in a league of its own. Its maneuverability is nothing short of extraordinary, accompanied by an unparalleled stability that defies expectations, particularly considering its impressive size. Weighing in at a whopping 43,000 pounds and boasting a mind-boggling speed of Mach 1.6, equivalent to a staggering 1,200 miles per hour, this exceptional aircraft has earned its well-deserved moniker, the Mighty One. This mighty wonder has a wingspan of 35 feet, a length of 51 feet, and a towering height of 14 feet. It truly is a big boy. Holding an internal fuel capacity of 18,500 pounds, the F-35 has a range of more than 13 or 50 miles. With the ability of aerial refueling, this jet can go on as long as it wants to infinity and beyond. Conceived to succeed the aging fleet of classic F-16s in the United States Air Force, the F-35 has emerged as the undisputed torchbearer of the next generation of stealth fighters. Although the F-16 was the staple of the industry, its time has long gone. The next generation of stealth fighters is superior in almost every way. The F-35, with its enhanced situational awareness, has also replaced the U.S. Navy's F/A-18, as well as the Marine Corps' AV-8B Harriers. Across the board, the F-35 stands as the pinnacle of modern aviation. The creation and development of this extraordinary aircraft involved a collaborative effort among 9 nations, each contributing their expertise and resources. The United States, the United Kingdom, Italy, the Netherlands, Turkey, Canada, Denmark, Norway, and Australia united in a very rare display of international cooperation. Together, they harnessed their collective brilliance to bring forth one of the world's most awe-inspiring wonders, a testament to the power of collaboration and shared innovation. Once you look at the final product, you can't help but wonder just how brilliant the human mind really is. While the F-16 may possess a greater raw firepower, the F-35 surpasses it in overall combat effectiveness. Equipped with advanced missile targeting systems such as JASSM, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, and LRASM, Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile, the F-35 excels in both short-range dogfights and engaging stealth targets over long distances. Its advanced electronic warfare system grants it the ability to detect and track adversaries, jam radars, and disrupt enemy attacks. In terms of its actual firepower, the F-35 offers a diverse array of weaponry with a payload of 18,000 pounds. Its standard cannon is the potent 25mm GAU-22A, which provides formidable firepower. Additionally, it carries 2 AIM-120C air-to-air missiles, capable of neutralizing other aircraft or small targets effectively. Finally, the F-35's arsenal includes a pair of 2,000-pound GBU-31 guided bombs. The sheer destructive power of just one of these bombs is enough to send you on a permanent vacation. The aircraft is also equipped with a positive target identification system, granting it the ability to deliver high-precision strikes in all weather conditions, making it a force to be reckoned with. Thus, while the F-16 may have an advantage in terms of pure firepower, the F-35's advanced targeting systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and diverse weaponry make it a formidable and superior choice on the modern airfield. When examining the additional features of the F-35, it becomes evident why this jet has become the most coveted aircraft worldwide. At the heart of its remarkable performance lies an engine capable of generating an astounding 43,000 pounds of thrust. This impressive power plant comprises a 3-stage fan, a 6-stage compressor, an annular combustor, a single-stage high-pressure turbine, and a 2-stage low-pressure turbine. Such immense propulsion enables the aircraft to achieve the extraordinary capability of withstanding forces and acceleration at the 9G level, which represents the highest possible threshold for force and acceleration. It is truly remarkable that despite this raw power, the F-35 remains versatile and agile, showcasing its exceptional adaptability as a multi-role fighter. The combination of its formidable engine and its inherent versatility makes the F-35 a truly formidable aircraft, setting it apart as the most sought-after fighter jet in the world. In addition to its impressive speed and power, the F-35 is equipped with advanced intelligence capabilities, making it a formidable force in the realm of information gathering. Its cutting-edge advanced sensor package is specifically designed to gather, fuse, and distribute an unprecedented amount of information, surpassing all previous fighters in history. With its enhanced processing power, open architecture, sophisticated sensors, information fusion capabilities, and flexible communication links, the F-35 stands unrivaled in the domain of stealth and intelligence gathering. This remarkable combination of technological advancements allows the F-35 to operate as an elite platform, providing unparalleled situational awareness and intelligence capabilities. The aircraft's ability to collect, process, and disseminate information in real time empowers its pilots with a comprehensive understanding of the battlefield, granting them a significant advantage in both offensive and defensive operations. Displaying unprecedented levels of reliability and maintainability, it contains a highly responsive support and training system, linked with the latest information technology, Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALIS. ALIS serves as a comprehensive platform that consolidates various critical aspects of the F-35's operations. It seamlessly integrates data on performance, operational parameters, current configuration, scheduled upgrades and maintenance, component history, predictive diagnostics and health management, operations scheduling, training, mission planning, and service support. By centralizing and analyzing this wealth of information, ALIS provides a holistic view of the aircraft's status and enables efficient decision-making. Furthermore, ALIS performs behind-the-scenes monitoring and maintenance, continuously assessing the health and readiness of the F-35 fleet. It aids in identifying potential issues before they become significant problems, allowing for proactive maintenance and minimizing aircraft downtime. In essence, the Autonomic Logistics Information System functions as a reliable and intelligent companion, kind of like Knight Rider. By leveraging advanced information technology and integrating diverse operational aspects, ALIS plays a crucial role in maximizing the reliability, maintainability, and overall operational effectiveness of the F-35 fleet. The jet also comes equipped with electronic sensors that include the Electro-Optical Distributed Aperture System, DAS. DAS provides pilots with complete situational awareness in a sphere around the aircraft for advanced missile and aircraft warning, as well as full day and night vision. The system also provides extended range detection, precision targeting against ground targets, and long-range detection of air-to-air threats. The F-35 is equipped with state-of-the-art tactical data links that enable secure and efficient data sharing among its own flight members and with other platforms. These data links play a crucial role in facilitating effective communication, coordination, and situational awareness during joint operations. By leveraging advanced communication protocols and encryption techniques, the F-35's tactical data links ensure the secure transmission of critical information. This includes real-time updates on the aircraft's position, sensor data, target information, and mission objectives. The ability to securely share this data enhances the overall effectiveness of the F-35 within a larger operational context. On top of all of these features, they even styled out the helmet. Every essential piece of intelligence and targeting data required by a pilot during a mission or operation is seamlessly presented on the visor of the helmet. Furthermore, this information is continuously updated in real time, ensuring that pilots are constantly equipped with the latest and most relevant data at their fingertips. With a price tag of $110 million per aircraft, it is one of the most expensive jets on the market. Brilliance does not come cheap, but despite the F-35's hefty price tag, it is still one of the most budget-friendly aircrafts around. Just hear me out. It possesses an unmatched cost per effect. The jet has the lowest total cost to achieve mission results. Its efficiency and accuracy make the price tag cheaper in the long run, as opposed to the F-16, which initially only costs $30 million, but with gradual improvements and equipment repair reaches around $80 million. It does nowhere near the clean efficiency of the F-35. The result of the allied partnership of several countries also leads to a number of different factors that reduce the potential cost of the aircraft. As a result of the joint effort, less money is wasted on further research and resources, as everything is shared between all nations in one effort. By the manufacturer's calculations, there is around a 50% reduction in operating and support costs. Additionally, there is another 35% cost reduction anticipated over the next 5 years. Finally, through an independent study, research has found that the manufacturing and building of the F-35s contributes to approximately $72 billion annually in the US economy. So in the end, the $110 million price tag is a smile price to pay. There you have it. That's all the essentials you need to know about the magnificent F-35 Lightning II. If you made it this far, thank you guys for watching. I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Leave a comment about what you think. See you on the next one.